My name is Becky Spears. I'm from Anaheim, California. I have 3 children, and I was diagnosed with an ovarian cyst. My ovarian cyst was diagnosed when I had my routine well woman check, which is once a year, and it was diagnosed at that point. It was felt on my exam. I then had an ultrasound when it was measured, and it was determined at the end that I would go on birth control pills for 3 months to try to shrink the cyst. The size of the cyst was diagnosed as being approximately the size of a baseball, so they felt that it had been there for quite a few months and expected it to shrink, and at the end of that time it did not. My regular doctor, in order to perform this surgery, I couldn't even get in for a consultation for 2 months, and so the surgery would have been 3 more months, and I was not comfortable with this. I had already waited 3 months, and at this point I really wanted the cyst removed. Luckily, a family member who knows Dr. Tiwari referred me to him. She was familiar with him from UC Irvine Medical Center, and so I had an appointment within a week to see Dr. Tiwari, and upon meeting with him, within another week, he scheduled me for surgery. Dr. Tiwari was able to reorganize his schedule in order to fit me in for surgery that normally he didn't have a spot open, but he kind of shifted things around and pulled a few strings and got me in within a week. In fact, the first surgery date he suggested to me, I said, whoa, slow down, I need a few days. So within a week, I was in having surgery. Actually, I don't think that a lot of people know exactly what UC Irvine Medical Center has, because Dr. Tiwari was able to do my surgery so quickly because he has access to the robot that performs this surgery all the time. And there are some doctors who have to share it with several other doctors so they cannot do their surgeries as often. So I think that is a key thing to realize when coming to UC Irvine Medical Center, that the resources they have are phenomenal, which allow them to get their patients in and get the quality of care that I received.